Good morning, students. Hereafter, we will start the 12th CBSE Mathematics and discuss about the all exercise problems. Now, we go to the session, Chapter 1, Relations and Functions. Exercise 1.1. In this exercise, they are asking to find the given relations are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So the first problem, it contains 5 subdivisions. So now in this video, we can take only the 2 subdivisions. So the question is, determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So our first question, relation are in the set A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Defined as r equal to x comma y in the function given that 3x minus y equal to 0. That is the relation. So here solution. So first, before we go to the solution, we know about what is reflexive, what is symmetric, and what is transitive. If they are given in the relation, the set of pair A comma B belongs to the same relation mean, that is called reflexive. Symmetric, if they are given in the relation A comma B belongs to or the reverse value B comma A also belongs to or means it is symmetric. And transitive, A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, therefore A comma C belongs to or means this is transitive. So first one is reflexive, A comma A belongs to R. The elements, the both set of pair elements are same. Here symmetric means A comma B belongs to R and B comma A belongs to R. Then both the values in the relation, then we can say this is a symmetric. And transitive, A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R means we can direct write the value A comma C belongs to R. Then this is called a transitive. So here in the first problem, they are given the relation, they given the set 1, 2, 3 up to 14, and they are given the relation r equal to x comma y, 3x minus y equal to 0. In this relation, we can take 3x minus y equal to 0 as y equal to 3x. That's all. Now, we can apply the value x and y. X, y. So first of all, we can apply x equal to 1 means we get the value y is equal to 3. Again, we apply the value x equal to 2 means here we get the value 6. Then y equal to x equal to 3 means we get the value y equal to 9. So this also in the same form. Next, we apply the value 4 and we get it the y value 12. So the set of pair are equal to 1, comma 3, 2, comma 6, 3, comma 9, 4, comma 12. This is in the relation. Now we can find the reflexive value. Here they are not considered the same set of pairs. Here 1, comma 3, here 2, comma 6, here 3, comma 9, 4, comma 12. In the reflexive means we can get the values 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2 up to 14, comma 14. In that relation, they are not in that relation. So we can say or is not reflexive. Okay, then we go to the symmetric form. We already know about that. Symmetric means A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. In this condition, R is not symmetric because if we are taking the value 1 comma 3, this is belongs to R, but 3 comma 1 does not belong belongs to R. Then next one is transitive. Transitive means if we take the value 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 9, same 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Again 3 comma 9 belongs to R, but 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. So the given relation R is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. That's all. Then we go to the second subdivision. Second subdivision, relation R in the set of all capital N. The capital N means set of all natural numbers defined as or equal to x comma y. Here that y equal to x plus 5 and all the x values less than 4. So here they are given the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers mean it start from 1 and 2, 3 up to infinite. Here they are given the condition x less than 4. So here our x value should be 1, 2 and 3. That's all. Here the value should be 1, 2 and 3. So here they are given the value y equal to x plus 5. So now we can apply the value x equal to 1. We get the value y is equal to 6. Again x equal to 2 means we get the y value 7. And x equal to 3, then we get the y value 8. So here the relation of set of pair 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8. In the relation, same. First of all, we can find the reflexive. Here, not the value of 1 comma 1 or 2 comma 2 or 3 comma 3. So, directly we can say this is a not reflexive. So, first one is 1 comma 6. Here we can take the value 1 comma 1 or 2 comma 2 are not in the relation, therefore R is not reflexive. Then second one is symmetric. Symmetric means if we can take the value 1 comma 6 belongs to R, then 6 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. Then the third one is transitive. Here transitive means already we know that A comma B belongs to R, B comma belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. Therefore, A comma C belongs to R means this is transitive. Here we can take 1 comma 6 belongs to R. Again, the next value will not come. Here 6 comma 1 or 6 comma 9 anything does not belongs to R. The second condition will also the wrong position. So R is not transitive. Thank you, students.